Hey guys, it's Matt from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. We're on site today in Maudsland and we're putting in a beautiful zip hydro tap to replace the customer's existing sink mixer with purified water. So this is the big dog. This one's got the CO2 filter for sparkling water. So we're going to be connecting this. We're just busy making our connections through the cupboard. We've already cut in the ventilation gap at the bottom. So that's going to suck in cold air from the bottom to keep the unit cool. And yeah, so we're just going to finish off all our connections and start plugging everything in and then start stripping out the old stuff. So yeah, it's been a hard one to film actually, but what we'll do is I'll just check in with you every now and then and see how it's going. Hey guys, so we've just done the rough connection here. We're going to tidy all these cables up, all the hoses to the bottom. There's the new tap. Nice and beautiful. That's got hot, cold, chilled and sparkling. And then we've got the commissioning system which we're going to set up now. Yeah, so we'll check back in here when we're done. Hey guys, so what we're doing now is we're just doing a flush through of the filter. So we're just flushing the system out, cleaning the new filter installed. Flushes about 10 litres and then moves on to the next stage. Hey guys, so we finished the install now. We've got that's the boiling, and then over here we've got, this is coming out chilled water. Next function we've got sparkling with the carbon, with the CO2 filter. Next we've got boiling. And then you just got your standard hot and cold. It's the job done. There it is.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.